Long have been these nights of separation. All my tears have dried away, yet from my eyes this waiting never fades. Still I ache for you each day. Oh ye lambiyan judayan hanju mukke ne sare meri akhiyan cho mukki na udik. Love has come, love has burned, love has taken all I knew, stole the peace within my heart, only leaving thoughts of you. Meri akhiyan cho mukki na udik ve, meri akhiyan cho mukki na udik ve. Long have been these nights of separation. All my tears have dried away, yet from my eyes this waiting never fades. Still I ache for you each day. Love has come, love has burned, love has taken all I knew, stole the peace within my heart, only leaving thoughts of you. You are the beauty my heart chose above all. You are the calm my soul desires. For you I wander through sleepless nights, caught in love's unending fire. Nothing feels right without you near. No place feels like home anymore. Without you here beside me now, I am lost like never before. Your memory softly finds me, it leaves my heart in quiet despair. Still my eyes refuse to surrender, still they search for you everywhere. Love has come, love has burned, love has taken all I knew, stole the peace within my heart, only leaving thoughts of you. Where is your smile that once healed me? Now only sorrow calls me near. Still my eyes refuse to surrender, still they wait for you right here. Love has come, love has burned, love has taken all I knew, stole the peace within my heart, only leaving thoughts of you. Long have been these nights of separation. All my tears have dried